me on through. I gotta send my love down to Baton Rouge. Hurry up, won't you put her on the line? I gotta talk to the girl just one more time.
For those of you that don't know what's about to happen, we're gonna have ourselves a little dance competition, okay?